Wow, this is amazing. This is awesome. Can you see acceptance? Can you see oneness? Can you see unity? He does not need introduction. This is Mr. P2B, the 2023 Labour Party presidential candidate. You can see him. This is not camouflage. I know that so many people have started criticizing, saying a lot of things about Mr. P2B, that this is a camouflage. This is never a camouflage. When he was the executive governor of Anambra State, when he was staying in Onitsha, in those days, I was in Onitsha. Come down to Onitsha and see what P2B is doing. This is not a camouflage at all. It is not a show of, he wanted to show strength or energy. He has the energy. He has the strength. I met him when he came to Abuja. That was last year. I know him in those days in Onitsha. He is one person that always want to associate himself with the youths, with the community, with the local, with the people. He always want to identify himself as one of us or one of you. So, in case you are saying that, or those that are saying that this is a show of energy or a show of strength, no. If you study Mr. P2B, if you know who Mr. P2B is, you will know that Mr. P2B doesn't live a flamboyant life. Yes. Even when he is going to the airport, he does not allow you to take or to carry his bag. No, you can't see Mr. P2B doing that. Even when he was the executive governor of Anambra State, yeah, he was my former governor. Yes, I can be bold to say that any day, anytime. Mr. P2B is my former governor. If Mr. P2B is heading to the airport, he doesn't need you to carry his bag. No, he doesn't need all those convoy. He doesn't need all those security. No, he doesn't live a flamboyant lifestyle. He goes to load work. Yes, on Saturdays in the morning, you see youths of Anambra State, youths of Onitsha following him. In fact, you'll be asking yourself, is it an executive governor because he does not know flamboyant, he does not know living big. No. If you see his apartment where he stays in Onitsha, you will ask yourself, are you sure that this man was the former Fidelity chairman? You will ask yourself, are you sure that this man is this, he is that? If you see Mr. Peter Obi's credentials, if you see Mr. Peter Obi portfolio, I am telling you, you are not going to agree that this is Mr. Peter Obi. He has one of the greatest, one of the best credentials, one of the best profile among all those that contested with him in the 2023 presidential election. But you will never know that. He lives like us, like the commoners. He does not carry his shoulders up. This is one thing I always respect about this man. He was in Enugu, that was day before yesterday, and he made a stop. When he saw the youths that are playing table tennis, he joined them because he believes he is one of them. So if you are saying that this is a camouflage, this is never a camouflage. This is one of his lifestyle. He always want to associate with the less privileged because he knows that he is not different from them, even with all his credentials and portfolio and profile. So this is Mr. Peter Obi for you guys. What do you people think about this type of lifestyle that Mr. Peter Obi is living? Can you please drop a comment, just a comment? Let me hear what you think about the lifestyle of Mr. Peter Obi, the former governor of Anambra State and the former presidential candidate in the 2023 presidential election. Thanks for watching.
Oh, good.